right, outdoorsmen. We are in New Smyrna Beach in Florida, and as you can see here, we are on the beach. People are able to park their vehicles on the beach, and we're gonna go for a little walk. We had just finished lunch at Breakers Restaurant, and we're heading out for a little outdoor time. So let's get outdoors. All right. We are here on the beach with my favorite wife, favorite daughter, favorite future son-in-law. I don't know where my favorite son and favorite daughter-in-law went, but they were here just a minute ago. So checking out the seagulls, herring gulls, actually what they are. And must be a storm out at sea today because the waves are big and they are coming often. There are some pelicans. Definitely has a haze for the day today. We have some plovers that are skimming along, trying to get themselves some lunch. They love to run down to the water's edge because that's where they can catch the crabs, the sand crabs that come up to the surface. And as you'll see here, they run away as the water comes into them. Wife's a little braver than I am, or dumber, I'm not exactly sure which, but she's definitely, no, go put your feet in the water. She fell for it, ladies and gentlemen. Looks like it's fairly cold. Not exactly sure which of the gulls that is, but you don't often see them with an orange beak. The other interesting thing about here in New Smyrna Beach is that vehicles, although you have to pay, are able to actually drive on the beach. Cool to see how the wing feathers cross on the back of this gull and how dark they are compared to the rest of the bird. I will ID all these little birds and be able to put the names of them in the title as I continue through this video. Amid all the options of being outdoors on the Atlantic coast, it's not often you see someone trying to surf. So kudos to the young dude trying to get out there and catch a hang 10. We'll have to see how he does. Interestingly, he's gone more than he's visible here from the shore. It's interesting how as you look down the beach, it gets hazier and hazier from the mist blowing off of the ocean. Here you can see the flag signals, and we got the red one going, which means there is high surf and strong currents currently going on today. My advice would be, as you can see up and down the beach, for the most part, stay out of the water. All right, everyone, when you're this close to the Atlantic Ocean in December, you really don't have any choice but to get in if you're a true outdoorsman. I can tell you, holy shit, that water is cold. It is definitely enough to make your ears shrivel, let alone any other parts. Woo! That would shrivel. I'm gonna go ahead and call that an experience and move on with life. Dang, that's cold. There's my cutie pie. All right, everyone, hope you enjoyed today's video. It was cool to be in the Atlantic Ocean, to see so many people who continue to get outdoors today here in New Smyrna Beach, along with their dogs. So until next time, get outdoors.